Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the Giantmouse GM6 here with me for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying this kind of content, because look at this, pretty simple box, just like a card for you, and a nice little pouch with the Giantmouse logo. It's like some canvas kind of fabric. It's cool. And then you have your GM6, which is a classy integral knife by Giantmouse with an overall length of 6.8 inches, I would say, 3.9 inch long. I would say, yeah, 3.8 inch long handle with a, you see, it's tough to decide, like 2.9 inch long blade, 3.3 inch long blade. I mean, you get the idea. This is not a big boy. It's a cool integral titanium frame lock knife designed by Giantmouse. It has some pretty cool M390 steel, satin finish with dual direction, so dual tone satin. Look at that. Nice jimping, nice crowning. It has an over travel lock bar integrated here in the pivot collar, let's call it that way. Stainless steel lock face insert, titanium deep carry pocket clip, lanyard hole integrated into the body of the knife. Really, really cool indeed. This guy is made in China. It's gonna cost you around $360 if you can find it, because the prices have gone up from the secondary market. But it's a really cool one. Flat grind, very, very cool sound. It's a little one, but yeah, it's snappy, guys. Action. You need to wiggle, so it's not gonna do any drop shot action. But the sound is nice closing. But when you open it, it's sharp. It's very interesting. I like it. The ergos are fine. It's a little bit small for my hands, but it's good. I don't feel any hot spots by squeezing this guy in my hand. And let's check it on the scale to see how much is the weight, because this is a solid chunk of titanium. And of course, there's no internal milling on this one, and I suspect this is going to be, yeah, 3.71 ounces. So for a small knife like this, it's substantial. It has some density, some heft to it, so it's a good thing. Nice chamfering, it's nicely done, it's sleek. I really appreciate this guy. I love integrals, and this is a very cool one. Nice jimping here, probably a little bit pointy for like a push button deployment kind of thing. You gotta be better off with the light switch, but this guy is pretty cool. It fires like a boss because it's running on bearings, so action is gonna be smooth, not drop shotty, but it's gonna be smooth. Nice detent. I like this one. It's a very little cool fella, but hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.